In this video, I'll show you how to customize your Steam profile. So the very first, you need to upload your profile picture. Upload Square profile picture by clicking the Edit Profile. Profile name, you need to choose a custom username. Click Edit Profile in the Steam profile settings. Then from the bio, you can be able to write a short bio about yourself. It can be gaming or anything you get. Then the fourth option, you need to select a profile background. So set a nice background by selecting profile background in the edit menu. Then you can be able to come on here and add a profile background. That is the fifth option. Set a nice profile by selecting profile background in the edit menu. The favorite game, you need to pick a showcase for your favorite game by selecting featured game. Then you need to tap on the showcase. That is the seventh option. Add a showcase like screenshots, artworks, or items through profile editor. Then the last option, you need to use profile themes in the point shop to change your profile color themes. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe.